Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I just wanted to let you know the final exam is open, and of course it is due by 1:28 at midnight or end of day. The password for the exam is COMM, C-O-M-M 2021, and that'll be posted of course on the announcement page. But be sure to take your time in doing the exam. There's a lot of essays, but um, there's not a lot of detail that you haven't reviewed in the course. So don't feel like you're going to see anything unexpected. Take your time, you'll do fine. Majority of people that take this test get a really high grade. Just don't rush through it. Make sure you write complete sentences, and I think you'll all be set. Remember, I talked about in the final exam prep that you could, prep essays prior. You can only do that on paper because it's lockdown browser, but I don't think you'll really especially need that because I think you're going to do well in this exam. If you have any questions, please reach out. Again, this is our last week of the course. I've really appreciated everyone and all the hard work they've put in this semester. I'm looking forward to seeing you graduate soon. And if you ever need anything throughout your time at school, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help in any way I can. Thanks so much. Enjoy the final exam. Reach out with any concerns.